Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? So, in the last class, we solved exercise number which one? Exercise number 2.4, right? Up to which problem? H1, I think. Yes. Up to H, I solved. Now we'll start with the I. Up to H I solved in the last class only. So today start with the I problem. That is a 3 digit number. Okay, we have to divide with 3 digit numbers. After that we are having a MCQs. Okay, we'll do that. Next here 2.4 I. 2.4 I problem. In that we are having. Okay, so first one is a ith one, that is a 9087 divided by how much? 459. Okay, 9087 is divided with the 459 value. Divide 9087 here divided with the 459. What is the 459 twos are? 459 twos are, that is 2 nines are 18, 2 fives are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 2 fours are 8, 8 plus 1 9. Okay, so here 918 is there, but here we want a 459. Here 908 is there. 918 is a greater than 908, right? Getting 918 is a greater than the 908. So that's why we can't take that value. That is 459 ones are. So 459 ones are. Take here 459. 18 minus 9 is 9. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Next, take this value 4. Okay. Again do the multiplication and check. 459. We want a 7. We can't take a 7 here. 459. Check with the 6 value. 6 nines are 54. 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. It's a smallest value. Okay. Now check for the 459. 459 into 9 are 9 nines are 81. 9 fives are 45. 45 plus 8 is 45 plus 8, that is 53. 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 5 is 36 plus 5. 36 plus 5 is 41. Okay, we can't take this value, right? So now write here, that is 459. 9s are 4131. Okay, 7 minus 1 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 1 3. Here 0. Okay, so write here quotient is equal to 90 and remainder is equal to 366. You have to write the remainder as well as the quotient. Quotient is 90 and remainder is 366 is the remainder. Getting everyone? This is the division method. Next one is a I completed. Next go for the J problem. J one. 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 234. Divide here. 234. Now multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. And 3s are, check 3s are. That is 3 4s are 12, 3, no we can't take. So just take the 2s are value only. 2s are means 468. 17 minus 8 is 9. 16 minus 5 is 16 minus 5. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. Here 0. Take here 8. That is 234. Take 4s are 4 4 is 16. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. That is 234 4s are 936. 234 4s are 936. 8 minus 6 is 2. 9 minus 3 6. Here 0. So write here quotient. Quotient is equal to 24 and remainder is what? Remainder is equal to 62. Okay. Quotient is 24 and remainder is 62. Getting everyone? Okay. Next go for the next problem, that is case 1. Case 1. 1345 divided by 178. So now divide here 178. Okay. So 178 take with the 5 8s are 40, 5 7s are 35, 39, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. We can't take. Okay. Next 6 is smaller value. So check for the 178 into 8s are. 8 8s are 64, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 6 is 62, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 6 is 14. So it's a greater value, right? So check with the 7s are. 178 7s are check. 178 into 7s are. 7 8s are 56, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 5 is 49 plus 5. Wait 1 second. Which one we did now? That is, we are doing this case 1, right? Okay. 7 8s are 56, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 5 is 54 and 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. We can write this value. So write here 7s are 1, 2, 4, 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 14 minus 5 is 14 minus 5, 9 only. Next, here 15 minus 6, yes correct. 3 minus 3, 0. What is the quotient here? Quotient is equal to 7 and remainder is what? Remainder is equal to 99. Remainder is 99, quotient is 7. Like that you have to write. Okay. Go for the next one. That is L divided by 342. Right? 8892 here 342. Check with the 342 into 2s are. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Okay. 3s are means 342 into 3s are. It will be greater I think. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 10. Okay. We can't take this value. So take this only. 342, 2s are 6, 84. 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. Now take here 2. Okay. Again check. 342 into 7 check. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 28, 29. 7 3s are 21, 23. No, it is the greater value. Check with the 6 are. 342. 6 are 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. So 342, 6 are 2052. So here remainder is what? Remainder is equal to 0 and quotient is what? Quotient is equal to 26. quotient is 26 and remainder is 0 here. Okay, so just we completed the first main. Now go for the second main. What they given in a second main, that is a total of 76,516 bags of rice are loaded onto trucks. If one truck can carry 74 bags, then how many trucks are needed to carry 76,516 bags? Okay, so this is a division problem. I'll explain here. Okay, it is second one. A total of how many? Right here, total number of bags. Total number of bags, that is equal to how much? 76,560. Total number of bags, how many are there? Total number of bags, that is 76,560 they given here. Okay, next is what they given, if one truck can carry 74 bags. Okay, number of bags carried by one truck. One truck, it will carry how many bags? That is 74. Okay, right here 74. So the one truck will carry 74 bags, but we are having a total number of bags of 76,516. We are having this much of bags and one truck carry 74 bags. Then how many trucks we need? How many trucks we need here to carry all the bags? Then we have to do the division. Okay, we want here number of trucks. Number of trucks is equal to question mark. For that we have to do the division. Divided by 74. Do the division. 70,516 here 74. First 74 ones are 74. 6 minus 4 is 2. Take here 5. We can't divide with this 25 by 74. It is a smaller value, right? So take another one value also here. For that we have to put a 0 here. We can't take directly two values. Okay. Here we took two values at a time, right? So if you are taking at a time values, then you have to write a 0 in quotient. Only one value is taking means nothing to worry. Do the division. Okay. If you are taking another value also, then you have to write here 0. Getting? So next 74. Check with the 3s. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are 21, 22. Next 74 4s are 4 4s are 16. 4 7s are 28, 29. No, we can't take this value. Take 74 3s. That is 222. 11 minus 2 is 9. 5 minus 3, 2. Here 0. Next take here 296. That is 74 4s are 296. Okay. So what we left with 1034. So therefore write last sentence, number of trucks. Number of trucks is equal to 1034. Okay, we need 1034 trucks to carry this 76,516 bags. Okay, that is the last answer. Getting everyone? Okay, fine. Go for the next one. Third one. There are 34 crayons in one box. How many boxes are required to pack 89,658 crayons? Okay, we are having a total number of crayons is 89,658 crayons. Okay, but one box containing 34 crayons. How many box we need to pack all the crayons here? Okay, so that is also same division only, like this only. Okay, do the division. Third one. Third one. total number of crayons. Total number of crayons is equal to how much? How much they given? 89,658. Okay. Number of crayons in one box is equal to 39. Sorry, 34. 34. So we want number of boxes. Total number of boxes. Total number of boxes is equal to question mark. We want how many boxes to pack all the crayons they are asking here. For that again you have to do the division. Do the division. 89,658 divided by 34. 89,658. Do the division. 34. How much we have to take here? 34. 3s are 3, 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 10 it is. No, we can't take. 34 2s are 34 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Okay. So 34 2s are 68. 9 minus 8 is 1, 8 minus 6 is 2. Here 2 16. Okay. Next 34 4s are 10. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 5. Next 34 6 are 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2. We can take this value. 34 6 are 2 not 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, 1 here 0. Now take this 5 value. Okay, here 6 already taken. 5, 125 is there. Okay, 34 5s are how much? 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. 170 it is. We can't take that value. Okay, 34 3s are 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 it is. Okay, 34 3s are 102, 3 2 0. Take last value 8 to 38 means 34 7 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21 plus 34 7s are 238. Okay, remainder is 0 0 we got. Remainder is 0 0. So left with the how much here? 2637 is the quotient. Okay, so we got a 2637. Therefore total number of boxes is equal to 2637. Total number of boxes are 2637 is the answer. Getting how to do the division? Okay. So we completed exercise number 2.4 now. We completed the exercise number 2.4. So now we'll go with that is a MCQs. Multiple choice questions. Page number 37 open everyone. Page number 37. In that multiple choice questions. Okay. First one. Find the product of the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. What is the greatest 4-digit number? MCQs. MCQs. Okay. In that first one. Product of the greatest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 4-digit number here? Greatest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 4-digit number? That is greatest 4-digit number 9,999. And smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number. That is 100. Right? Smallest 3-digit number is 100 and greatest 4-digit number is this one. Product of this means multiplication. Product is nothing but a what? Multiplication. Do the multiplication. Into 100 you will get answer as 9,99,900. Where is the answer? D. First one is a D option. D option is the correct answer. First one is D option, 9,99,900. That is the correct answer. Okay. Go for the second one. Find number that exceeds the 3 crore 45 lakh 67,239 by 10 lakh. Okay. Exceeds means what? Exceeds means it is greater, the number which is greater than that given number by how much? 10 lakh. Okay. Exceeds means you have to extend the value, means it is increasing value, not decreasing. Okay. It is a greater value. It is a greater by how much? 10 lakh. Okay. Exceeds means it will be a extending the value, means increasing the value, not decreasing. Okay. So second one they given here 3 crore 45 lakh 67,239 by how much? 10 lakh. Okay. By 10 lakh it is exceeding, means it is the value is greater than this value by how much? 10 lakh. 10 lakh means you have to add 10 lakh to this number. You will get the answer. That is add 10 lakh here. That is 355 lakh 67,239. Which option is 3 crore 55 lakh 67,239 is the answer. This is the addition. Okay. So which option is correct? Eighth option is the correct. Eighth one is the right answer. Okay. Next go for the third question. Find the quotient and the remainder. Find the quotient. Find the quotient and remainder. Okay. That is given numbers are 2 divided by here 2. 0 2 is there, right? So do the division. 2 3s are 6. Right? Next here 0 is there. Take a 0. Here also for that you have to take a 0. And next value is 0. Take here 0. Next value is 2. 2 ones are. Okay. So what is the remainder is 0 and quotient is what? See, for this one having the C 6. Wait. It is having comma like this, right? Yes. It is according to the international system only. So when we are dividing 2 3s are 6. Again after 6 how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So write that 3 zeros directly. Because we can't divide 0 with that 2 value. So write here 3 zeros. Next here 2. Take a 2. 2 ones are 2. What is the quotient here? 3001. That is B option is the correct answer. And remainder is 0. So B option is the correct answer. B1 is the correct answer. Next go for the fourth one. Multiply. Fourth one, multiplication. Multiply 8 into 43 into 125. Okay. 543 into 8 into 125. That is, we can write here that value is 8 5s are 40, 4 carry it is 16, plus 4 is 22 carry, 8 1s are 8, that is 1000. Okay. 3 zeros. 5,43,000. 5,43,000. C option is the correct answer. C one is the right answer. Next go for the fifth one. By how much is a 20 lakh less than this 40 lakh 34,009? Means you have to subtract the 20 lakh from that given value. You will get the answer. Fifth one. They given a 40 lakh 34,009. Now subtract 20 lakh. How much less than? Less than means you have to subtract the value. Here 9, 0, 0, 4, 3 and 0, 4 minus 2 is 20 lakh 34,009. 20 lakh 34,009. Where is the option? That is A. Eighth one is the right answer. Eighth one is the correct answer. Okay. So we completed that MCQs also, and that work it out problems, do it yourself. Okay. First main, solve the following. Only addition is there. Do the additions and multiply the following. Multiplication, do the multiplication. Find the quotient and remainder. Do it yourself. And fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh, eighth and ninth. All our word problems are there. So I'll say in the next class that one. Okay. Up to this, work it out. Read everything. In work it out also, they didn't mention the very tough problems. They given only easy problems only. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Only if we know all the 4 operations, you can do any problem here. Right? So, second chapter. First chapter and second chapter for your exam. Please read properly everyone. Okay. Don't fear for the exams. Okay. Read and be serious about your studies. Okay. Do all the problems. Whatever I did in the video, everything you have to do from first chapter to second chapter. That is a portion for your exam. Okay. All the best. Do well. Don't worry. Okay. Get a good marks. Okay. We'll meet in the next class. Okay. Thank you everyone.